Competitive exam based. Indian history. General knowledge. Questions and answers. Wall 1. For all examinations, state and UPSC IAS test. 100 quiz multiple choice questions. 1. The post-Gupta social structure in North India was marked by the answer C. Proliferation of castes. 2. The Jaunpuri or the Sharqi style of architecture developed during the reign of answer B. Shamsuddin Ibrahim Shah Sharqi. 3. Upostha was practiced. Answer B. By Buddhist monks in an assembly. 4. The Polygas were answer C. Chief subordinate to the Naikas, the Vijayanagar kingdoms. 5. Among the 4 dynasties listed below, which ones minted coins made of lead? Answer C. 2, 3, 4. 6. The office of the Vakil-e-Sultanate was held during the first 4 years of Akbar's reign by answer B. Bairam Khan. 7. The theory of Sulh-i-Qawl was propounded by answer B. Akbar. 8. The greatest painter of birds at Jahangir's court was answer D. Mansoor. 9. According to the Periplus, sea voyages to India were taken in the mouth of Epiphio. Answer D. December. 10. Coconut cultivation in India was known from the period of the answer D. Pahlava and Western ranges. 11. Which of the following terms mentioned in early sources denoted land measure? Answer C. 1, 2, 3. 12. Who among the following is credited with the authorship Maju al-Bahrain? Answer B. Dara Shikoh. 13. Akbar's buildings at Fatehpur Sikri are famous for answer A. Synthesis of trabete and accurate styles. 14. Which of the following were considered untouchable in early India? Answer C. 1, 4.
Movement led to India's independence in 1947? Answer: a Indian national movement.
16. Which one of the following was known as Manigramam? Answer C. An association of traders. 17. Which one of the following pairs are not correctly matched? Answer C. Ajmer, Quwwatul Islam. 18. Official stamping of weights and measures and their periodical inspection are prescribed by answer A. Manu. 19. Which one of the following pairs of persons and events is correctly matched? Answer A. Bhuka-I, conquest of Madurai. 20. Which one of the following denoted a series of coins? Answer B. Dadhiya. 21. Which one of the following was a Portuguese corn that was in circulation in the western coastal areas of the Vijayanagara Kingdom? Answer B. Bujado. 22. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Answer D. Drona, measure of rainfall. 23. Sadhya Sar Na Diya is associated with. Answer A. Guru Tegh Bahadur. 24. Which of the following terms were used to refer to rural landholders in eastern India during the Gupta period? Answer D. 2, 3. 25. The Valandai, right hand, and Idangdai, left hand, division of South Indian society is first noticed in the. Answer B. Pahallava period. 26. The first battle of the American War of Independence took place in the year. Answer A. 1778, 14th August. 27. The main effect of the American War of Independence was. Answer A. Establishment of a republic. 28. The French society was divided into. Answer C. 3 groups. 29. The French Queen, Marie Antoinette, was termed as. Answer A. Empty-headed. 30. The French King Louis XVI ruled according to. Answer B. Divine right theory. 31. 18th century has been correctly called the. Answer B. Age of Reason. 32. The French royal prison, the Bastille, was attacked in. Answer C. 14th July 1789. 33. Austria, Russia and Prussia formed an alliance called. Answer C. Holy Alliance. 34. Louis XVI and Marie Antoinette were executed along with their children in. Answer A. L. 793. 35. The most important effect of the French Revolution was the birth of the. Answer A. Republic in France. 36. Napoleon introduced a new set of laws called. Answer A. Napoleonic Code. 37. Bismarck was called the man who gave Germany the policy of. Answer A. Blood and iron. 38. Sardinia was the strongest state of. Answer C. Italy. 39. Italy was unified with the occupation of the city of Rome in. Answer C. 1870. 40. Karl Marx was the first man to introduce. Answer A. Scientific socialism. 41. The church was very corrupt and supported. Answer A. The monarchy. 42. The great French socialist Babeuf was executed in the year. Answer A. 1797. 43. The Communist Manifesto appeared in the year. Answer B. 1848. 44. Prussia was the strongest state of Germany before the unification was dominated by the Answer B. Landlords, Junkers. 45. An address to the working class was drafted by Answer C. Karl Marx. 46. The first international introduced. Answer A. Socialism. 47. The Paris Commune fought for. Answer A. Workers' rights. 48. The Paris Commune took place in the year. Answer A. 28th March 1871. 49. The Second International was the 100-year celebration of the Answer B. French Revolution. 50. The Second International declared 1st May as Answer A. Workers' Day. 51. Consider the following statements. Answer D. 3 only. 52. Who among the following was called as Father of Indian Renaissance? Answer D. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. 53. Which of the following statements is incorrect regarding prehistoric art? Answer D. The paintings depict the religious beliefs of the people. 54. The only ruler of India who ruled over territories in Central Asia beyond the Pamirs was Answer A. Kanishka. 55. With which period do we associate the megaliths? Answer A. Neolithic. 56. Which was the first newspaper to be published in India? Answer B. Bengal Gazette. 57. Vikram era started from. Answer A. 57 BC. 58. Consider the following statements. Answer D. Neither one nor two. 59. The King Kanishka held the Great Buddhist Council under whose presidency? Answer D. Vasumitra. 60. Under which one of the following system of assessment the British government collected revenue directly from the farmers? Answer B. Ryotwari. 61. Who of the following deciphered the Brahmi script? Answer B. James Prinsep. 62. With reference to the revolt of 1857, who of the following laid siege to Jhansi in March 1858? Answer D. Sir Hugh Rose. 63. From the scattered skeletal remains of the Harappans found at different sites, the most appropriate conclusion to be drawn would be that there was. Answer D. Great epidemic. 64. Which one of the following was not an Indus Valley civilization site? Answer B. Patliputra. 65. Which one of the following statements about Mohenjo-daro is correct? Answer C. The floor of the grate was made of burnt brick. 66. The achievements of Samudragupta are described in the answer B. Allahabad pillar inscription. 67. Which of the following statements is false with regard to the social conditions in the Gupta period? Answer A. Public and personal morality had reached a very low point. 68. The first writer to use Urdu as the medium of poetic expression was. Answer A. Amir Khusro. 69. Who is known as the Grand Old Man of India? Answer D. Dadabhai Naoroj. 70. Upanishads, also known as the Vedantas, are in number. Answer C. 108. 71. After the Mauryas, the most important kingdom in the Deccan and central India was that of the. Answer C. Satavahanas. 72. Pushyamitra Shunga. Answer C. Was persecutor of Buddhism according to the Divyavadna. 73. The first to establish trade contacts with the Roman Empire were. Answer C. Tamils. 74. Sakas were finally overthrown by. Answer D. Gautamiputra Shatkarni. 75. With which of the following periods do we associate the microlith implements? Answer B. Mesolithic. 76. Which one of the following kings controlled the famous Silk Route of Central Asia? Answer D. Kanishka. 77. Which of the following statements regarding the Indus Valley civilization is not true? Answer D. The Indus Valley people were not acquainted with the art of spinning and weaving. 78. Saka era was founded by. Answer C. Kanishka. 79. The main cause of the tribal wars among the early Aryan settlers, the most famous of which is mentioned in Rig Veda as Battle of 10 Kings, was. Answer A. Cattle and land disputes. 80. Jainism was divided into two sects known as. Answer D. Svetambara and Digambara. 81. The first major inscription in classical Sanskrit is that of. Answer C. Rudradman. 82. The fourth Buddhist council was held by. Answer B. Kanishka. 83. With reference to Delhi Sultanate, who of the following created the Diwan-i-Amir Department of Agriculture? Answer C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. 84. Which one of the following places was famous as a seat of Mahayana learning? Answer A. Nalanda. 85. India's earliest contact with Islam came through. Answer D. Arab merchants on Malabar coast. 86. Which of the following religions got spread in different parts of Asia? Answer A. Buddhism. 87. Porus was defeated by Alexander at the Battle of. Answer D. Hydaspes. 88. Between which of the following was the ancient town of Takshashila located? Answer A. Indus and Jhelum. 89. Chronologically arrange the accomplishments of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Answer A. 3, 2, 1, 4. 90. The name by which Ashoka is generally referred to in his inscriptions is. Answer A. Priyadarshi. 91. The first ruler of India who defeated Muhammad of Ghor was. Ans. C. Jayachandra of Kannauj. 92. Cholas were known from the time of. Ans. B. Vijayalaya. 93. The first Danish settlement of trade at Tranquebar was established in the year. Ans. A. 1620. 94. Who built the Brihadeshwara temple at Gangaikonda Ans. A. Rajaraja Chola. 95. A modern arsenal was established in 1765 with French assistance at. Ans. D. Dindugul. 96. During the reign of which ruler was Sri Lanka lost to the Cholas? Ans. A. Rajendra I. 97. Who built the Buddha Vihar at Nagapattinam? Ans. A. Sri Vijay. 98. What is the correct chronological sequence of the following rulers of Bengal? Ans. A. 2, 1, 3, 4. 99. Which of the following represents the town inhabited by merchants and traders in Chola period? Ans. C. Nagaram. 100. The first Rashtrakuta ruler who successfully invaded North India was. Ans. B. Dhruva.